Hey guys, I'm Paul with Next Level Media, and I am here with Tuesday's Tips. It's a new segment where every Tuesday I will be bringing you guys a new tip or trick involving Premiere Pro. Let's dive in. Last week we talked about simple editing of your footage, taking out all the mistakes and giving you a clean edit. If you missed that one, go back and check it out. But today we are talking about motion, rotation, and opacity. And those are all found in this top left window right up in here. So the first thing we're gonna do, I'm gonna add my logo to this video. So the first thing we're gonna do is File, Import, and then we're gonna select the logo. And it shows up down here in our video panel. So we'll take the logo, click on it, and we're gonna drag it to the second video layer. So obviously I do not want my logo sitting on top of my face. So we're gonna select this video, and up here we are going to make it a little bit smaller. So you can click and drag and make that a little bit smaller, maybe 55%. These up here are your right and left and your up and down. So we're gonna slide this, we're gonna click on it and we're gonna drag it until it's probably about right there. And this number over here is your up and down. So we are going to slide it down to about there. So that is much better where I want that video or that image of the logo to be. You can also click on this uniform scale, and now you can change the height and the width of your video. So we can actually make that just a little, we could squish it, but for this purpose, I want to keep that uniform scale so that it goes both width and height together. So we're gonna put that back to 55 right there. You can also change the rotation. Let's say you have an image that's a little bit crooked and you need to rotate it. Simply click on the number and then you can click the image there and you can rotate that. But I think my logo is pretty good the way it is, so we're just gonna rotate it back to 0 right there. You also can change the opacity. So this is how visible the image is on the screen. So if you want kind of like a watermark look, you can lower that down to maybe 55, or you could do it 100, whatever you feel is best for your video. So let's maybe go about 60. You can kind of see it, it's there, but it doesn't distract from the video itself. All right, guys, thanks for joining me for our Tuesday tip. I hope the information was helpful and allowing you guys to make an even better video. Make sure to subscribe below so that you can get notified of my next video, and also make sure to leave a comment of any tips or tricks that you would like to know the answer to. We'll see you next week.